In this video, I'm gonna show you what referral code you should use to get the highest trading fee discount on Binance and the highest sign-up bonus possible. So first, you wanna make sure that when you sign up for your Binance account, you're using a referral link that gives you a trading fee discount of 20%. Because many referral links out there only give you a 5% discount, a 10% discount, or even no discount at all. So when you use the referral link down below in the video description, you'll get the highest trading fee discount, which is 20%. Meaning that whenever you make a trade on Binance, you automatically save 20% just by having used that referral link. And then currently there's also some cash or cashback vouchers that you can claim after having done a couple of tasks after creating your Binance account. But again, you have to make sure to use the link down below in the description so you can actually see the tasks that you can then complete. So the first step is to click on the link down below in the description or simply go to collectioncrypto.com/Binance bonus. Then you get to this page here where you can read all about the steps that you need to complete to get that Binance bonus. But all you basically need to do is click on register on the top right and start setting up your account. And here, as you can see on the sign up page, you'll get 20% off your trading fees for having used that link. If you do need some step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Binance account, I'll leave my complete Binance tutorial down below in the video description. So after creating your Binance account, you have already locked in your 20% fee discount. What you can do now is go to the task center of your Binance account to see exactly what tasks you need to complete to get those cash or cashback vouchers. Usually it's simply to deposit some crypto or fiat currency onto your Binance account and start trading. And again, if you need some help completing those tasks, simply watch my complete Binance tutorial that you'll find down below in the video description. And by the way, if you want to get an additional 25% fee discount on Binance, you can simply use the BNB token, which is the native token of the Binance exchange, to pay for your trading fees. So simply go ahead and buy some BNB on your Binance account and then scroll all the way down and then click on fees. And there you want to flip the switch where it says using BNB deduction 25% discount, and that's basically it. Again, if you're looking for a complete walkthrough of Binance, check out the links down below in the description.